Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss the division of the nervous system. The nervous system is an important system of our body that controls all the activities and it is quicker than any other system. First we discuss the anatomical division of the nervous system. First suppose it is a brain and this is a brain spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord, they both constitute central nervous system. From the brain and the spinal cord there are different set of nerves that are being arise. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerve and 31 pair of spinal nerve, 8 cervical C1 to C8, 12 thoracic T1 to T12, 5 lumbar L1 to L5, 5 sacral S1 to S5 and a 1 coccygeal nerve. The 31 pair of the spinal nerve, they constitute the peripheral nervous system. The 12 pair of cranial nerve and the 31 pair of spinal nerve, they both constitute the peripheral nervous system. This is the anatomical division of the nervous system. Then we have another division, that is the enteric nervous system. This is the nervous system of our GIT, which is made up of a bunch of the cells and the interaction between them, the cells of Cajal, that are the pacemaker of our GIT smooth muscle. Interstitial cells of Cajal, they constitute the nervous system of our GIT, which control the contraction. Then we have functional division of the nervous system. As we know, the nervous system consists of central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system is further classified as autonomic nervous system, which control involuntary action, and somatic nervous system, which control voluntary actions such as muscular movement and the sensation. The autonomic nervous system, it has further two divisions, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic nervous system, also known as fast and flight system, and it is rest and digest. Sympathetic nervous system is characterized by the neuron which release epinephrine, which cause vasoconstriction, dilation of the pupil, increase heart rate, increase sweat. Parasympathetic, it's characterized by the neuron which release acetylcholine as its neurotransmitter, which work as opposite to the sympathetic nervous system, that it causes the vasodilation, constriction of the pupil, decrease heart rate, decrease sweat. It causes bronchoconstriction, and epinephrine causes bronchodilation. That's all about the division of the nervous system. Thank you.